It's a gorgeous day. We're on our way to Pastorius Park to enjoy the weather. Just enjoying a beautiful snow day with my dog Lucky.
Beautiful day. Nice day for shoveling. Very fluffy snow.
We'll do some skiing later.
Oh yeah, right down the street. There's probably like 100 kids at the water tower.
It's a beautiful day here in Chestnut Hill. We have the European snow today. We have visitors from Scotland who came in the middle of a snowstorm, and they're trying to leave in a snowstorm too. But we think it's lovely anyway.